Hello friends. Today, I am here with one more important book, which gives us insights about the Pareto Principle. The 80-20th Principle, by Richard Koch explores the Pareto Principle, which suggests that roughly 80% of results come from 20% of causes. Here's a step-by-step summary of the key concepts presented in the book. 1. Introduction to the 80-20th Principle. Koch introduces the concept of the 80-20th Principle, which states that a minority of causes, inputs, or efforts usually lead to a majority of results, outputs, or rewards. He explains how this principle can be applied to various aspects of life, such as business, economics, and personal productivity. 2. Understanding the principle. Koch explains the origins of the 80-20th Principle, which is named after the Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto. Pareto observed that approximately 80% of land in Italy was owned by 20% of the population, and he later found similar patterns in other areas of life. 3. Identifying the vital few. Koch discusses the importance of identifying the vital few, the small percentage of factors that have the most significant impact on outcomes. He suggests that by focusing on these critical few factors, individuals and organizations can maximize their effectiveness and efficiency. 4. Applying the principle to business. Koch explores how the 80-20th Principle can be applied to business management and strategy. He suggests that businesses should focus on their most profitable customers, products, and activities, rather than spreading resources evenly across all areas. 5. Personal productivity. The author discusses how individuals can apply the 80-20th Principle to improve their personal productivity and effectiveness. He suggests identifying the few activities or tasks that contribute the most to one's goals and focusing on those priorities. 6. Economic insights. Koch examines how the 80-20th Principle can provide insights into economic phenomena, such as income distribution, wealth inequality, and market dynamics. He suggests that understanding these patterns can lead to more informed decision making in business and public policy. 7. Strategic thinking. Koch emphasizes the importance of strategic thinking in decision making based on the 80-20th Principle. He suggests that by focusing on the vital few factors that drive results, individuals and organizations can make more impactful and efficient choices. 8. Continuous improvement. The author encourages readers to continuously apply the 80-20th Principle to various aspects of their lives and work. He suggests that by regularly reassessing priorities and focusing on the vital few, individuals can achieve greater success and satisfaction. Overall, the 80-20th Principle offers valuable insights into how a minority of factors can disproportionately influence outcomes in business, economics, and personal life. By understanding and applying this principle, individuals and organizations can optimize their efforts, resources, and results. To know more in detail about this book, you can buy it from the following link below. Please subscribe and click on bell icon to receive the notification when I upload the new book summary. Happy reading!